Alrighty, guys, I am back again with a new order from Coach. So I was browsing to the website and I really wasn't really looking to buy anything, honestly. I just always browse the website, but I came across this, what is it called? A travel, like, pouch or like a toiletry bag, from Coach. So I decided to just go ahead and order it. Check it out. I think it was about $100, I believe, off the Coach website. So here it is. It's actually bigger than I thought. Let's take it out. Yeah, let's see. Here's the name of it. It's a large travel kit. This is the black with the monogram, the brown monogram. Let's see, man. This is actually kind of big. Let's take a look at the inside. A lot of, like I always say, Coach loves their stuffing. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's take it out. Okay, more stuffing. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So this one has the patches on the inside, and there's the Coach tag, or what's it called, inside of here. So we get your care instruction booklet, and here is the tag for it. Large travel kit. Okay. Yeah, this one's actually bigger than I thought. This would be, I don't know if I could. Okay, so the patches are also on the outside with that pocket. It comes with a tag in black. This is really nice, but this is kind of big. I like the pouches, or I'm sorry, not the pouches, the patches that are in the inside. Let's close this back up. The zipper's really good. It's just, man, this is a lot bigger than I thought. I can't see myself traveling with this. It would take up so much room in my luggage. So let me go bring. So this is my spray ground, small, travel bag or toiletry bag. So look at the size comparison. So with this small one, I can usually take everything well, I can fit like my bare essentials with it, and last home. See, like it's this small spray ground toiletry bag fits inside of this large Coach one. So there's a size comparison right there. Man, I don't know if I'll keep this. It's just too big. I can't see myself traveling with this. Like I said, it'll take up so much room in my luggage or my carry-on or my duffel that. Because I usually, okay, so this small spray ground one, I can comfortably take, I mean, if I don't want to include lotion, stuff like that, just like the bare minimums, I can get away with just the small one. I've traveled with the small one before. This one, though, it's too big. I'm actually not sure about it. I'll have to think about it, but here it is, guys. Just a quick look at it. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So just keep that in mind if you guys order it.